snowy mantle cold and clean. The unborn grass lies waiting for its coat to turn to green. The snowbird sings a song he always sings, and it speaks to me of flowers that will bloom again in spring. Spread your tiny wings and fly away, and take the snow back with you where it came from on that day. The one I love forever is untrue, and if I could, you know that I would fly away with you. When I was young, my heart was young then too. Anything that it would tell me, that's the thing that I would do. But now I feel such emptiness within, for the thing that I want most in life's the thing that I can't win. Spread your tiny wings and fly away, take the snow back with you where it came from on that day. The one I love forever is untrue, and if I could, you know that I would fly away with you. To say